Hi, this is Jamie for GearBest. Today I'm here with Huawei Nova 4. Brands like Huawei should be needless to be introduced. One of the world's biggest selling smartphone brand, of course. It has more than, smartphones. It has its 5G in implementation, in testing, of course, but we're gonna put that aside. So this Huawei Nova 4 was released earlier this year, which is 2019. Something that stands out from all the notch phone coming out from 2018 is the hole punch display. On the bezel-less 6.4 inch at a 96.3% ratio with nothing but a hole at a 4.5mm for the front camera, which is amazing spec at 25 megapixel. So many of you might have not know the idea or the concept of 4.5mm hole right here. Not sure if you can see it clearly because it's really small, but the first idea of hole punch, it was actually came out from Samsung, but it actually has a 6.8mm, so Huawei Nova 4 actually has a lot smaller millimeter diameter, which is make the screen even bigger and even less disturbing when we're actually playing with video games or watching videos on your phone. And we're talking about cameras. At the back, 3 amazing cameras. 48 plus 16 plus 2 megapixels, stunning specs. Inside, 8 gigs of RAM plus 120 gigs of storage, but something that disturbs me a little is the fact that this one actually cannot be extended externally with TF card whatsoever. Powered by octa-core Kirin 970 CPU, very powerful one, the very up-to-date one. System-wise, it's equipped with Huawei's customized Android 9 system. The up-to-date one is called the EMUI 9. And finally, building 3750 milliamps of battery that supports fast charging, Type-C cable at the back, at the bottom. It does not have 3.5mm jack, but it doesn't disturb me that much. I'm actually already go over that. So that's pretty much it about this Nova 4, Huawei Nova 4. It's needless to explain how good Huawei is. Huawei, the brand itself, it stands for quality, it stands for good branding, it stands for technology and revolution. So that's pretty much it. Keep in touch with us, stay with us for more videos. Thank you.